Hello Pinkfresh friends, Anett here again with a layout process video using the two latest collections, the Some Days and the Keeping It Real collection, and also the English Garden washi tapes with coordinating dies. I created this layout for the April challenge that is all about using gold on your layout. Now it is easier than ever as most of the new gorgeous washes have gold foiling on them. On this layout I am arranging the elements horizontal. I already cut some pattern paper and picked some embellishments. Now I am working on to arrange them in a pretty horizontal line. I am distressing the edges on the scraps. It gives more texture to the layout. I used the Slim Stitches die and I added lovely stitched texture to some of the papers. The colors I use are mostly pinks and yellows with a little light blue. I also want to add the English Garden flower cutouts, and they are already prepared, waiting on the edge of the table. On the photo you can see my daughter exactly 1 year ago, when the whole homeschooling started. They say maybe in 3 weeks this could end and they can finally go to school, but well, I say we will see, nothing is for sure these days. I cut some of the cute houses from the pattern paper to add them as ephemera. I planned the arrangement and then simply attached them together using a tiny attacher. I'm going to do a little mixed media in the background, and this way I can easily remove it and add it to the layout again later. I use a piece of packaging to add watercolor to the background. They are metallic colors, and of course I use some gold watercolor too. It looks a bit brownish on the video and also on the photos, but when the light hits it from the angle, it is so beautiful shiny. I apply just a small amount of paint so that it peeks out behind the cluster. I'm using pinks at first, and then I add some gold, and then I felt it is too much pink, and it needed desperately a little blue-green, because I also use the washi tapes, and these washes have a green color in them, so I needed to use it in the background as well. I wipe off the excess color with some paper towel if needed. I really want to have really soft colors in the background. Rolling the paper towel over the paint is a good method, as this way I don't ruin the nice splatters. With foam tape I erase the whole cluster a bit, and I can tuck more embellishments under it, like the beautiful washi flowers. I am layering the scraps, tucking them here and there, creating a nice cluster around my photo. The photo is the most important on this layout, so this cluster helps the eyes to find the photo easily. There are some embellishments that I want to use so bad, but they simply don't fit so well, and others I didn't choose to use, but they look much better than expected. I really love the puffy stickers and also the chipboard stickers. They are the perfect size, not too small and not too big, and I always can find a nice spot for them. I felt that this layout needed some depth, so I took some textile ribbon from my stash and I made cute embellishments myself. They are like little flags, and I added them on 3 spots, and I created with this method a visual triangle. My journaling has an ideal spot on the right hand side on the striped paper. I added some colorful dots, and I think the layout is ready. I used gold in the background as watercolor, and I layered gold paper, and on the washi flowers are gold foiling as well, so I think the challenge is done. I'm looking forward to seeing your beautiful creations with a hint of gold. If you enjoyed my video, then please like and subscribe. All the used materials are listed in the description below. Create with me next time too. See you soon. Bye bye.